So after days of rain, this is how much the lake's up. I'll take you over to see the waterfall. That's almost under. Now that's supposed to be clear, it's way over the top, almost level, and that's usually a trickle. You can see it's white water. That's supposed to be above the water. Now it's a couple of inches below, and the water level is usually a couple of inches below the lip of that, so 2-3 inches, so it's maybe 5 inches up. That's the runner down there. And I'll take you down there and show you to the side. Ground's very soft. Left a load of walnuts for squirrels. We've got plenty. So we've left a load of these for squirrels. And that's the waterfall from this side. That's usually a tiny little stream. Sometimes it's barely been a trickle this year, that. That's where the little spring is. It's now flowing all the way down there. And that's what you're to watch for. Stuck in the ground. Fell out a tree and failed in the ground. Little stream flooding.